Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up anything important and enabling developer options so you can access diagnostic tools. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Display or System Developer options. Some manufacturers hide calibration under Accessibility or Manufacturer Tools. Make sure to enable any Show Touches or Pointer Location features if available. These reveal raw touch data. This gives you immediate feedback during calibration. You want the phone ready and visible, so remove cases and work on a flat surface to avoid accidental movement. You now run touch diagnostics to map how the screen interprets your input. Open Pointer Location or a touch test app and tap the grid point slowly. The visual trace shows drift, jitter, or skipped areas. If you see consistent offset in quadrants, adjust sensitivity, touch dead zone, or digitizer calibration options in the tool. Make small changes and retest after each adjustment so you can isolate the effect. This iterative approach prevents overcorrection and ensures the display reports accurate coordinates across the entire surface. You finish by saving settings and rebooting so the system commits calibration changes, then rerun a quick grid test to confirm improvement. If issues remain, update the OS and display firmware, clear system cache, and only then consider a factory reset. These steps rule out software causes. If unresponsive zones or wildly inconsistent pressure persist, the digitizer may be failing. In that case, power down and seek professional repair. Remember, document behavior before repair so a technician can replicate the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.